Hi, this is Mike, Family DIY TV, and today I am with my Inkerma bilateral laser measuring tool. This thing is extremely powerful and has so many features that you probably would never use all of them. Let me show you a few. So this is basically the screen, very easy to read. Now, the neat thing about this one is it has a laser coming out this side, which I have lasers that basically measure the distance between here and wherever that laser is hitting. But the nice thing about this one is it actually has a laser coming out on this side as well. So what that enables is the ability to basically measure the distance between two walls. So this will give you the measurement between here and that wall and here and that wall, and it'll give you the total, okay? Nice thing about that is you can actually find the center of the room pretty easily, okay? So if we put it in, and you can see basically it's saying it's 26 feet that way and 21 feet that way, okay? As I move left to right, basically what I can do is find the center of this room. Now I'm hitting a lot of different things, so that's why the numbers are jumping all over the place, but you can see how that works. It's hitting the wall down there, hitting the wall down there, and giving me a measurement. Pretty neat. Do this for the ceiling, right? So I can see where the ceiling is. Obviously my ceilings are 8 feet tall. So this is pretty neat if you're hanging a picture. Actually, I used this to hang a picture. I was able to find the center of the wall, at least confirm where I thought it was, and put this on the wall, and it told me. This can also tell you the area of the room. So let's say I was in a bathroom and I needed the area of a bathroom. Wait a second, how do I get in a bathroom? So now let's figure out the area of the floor and the ceiling. All right, so if I put it in that mode, or I hit that button there, and then I go over to area. Now what I need to do is I need to measure the distance this way and then the distance this way, obviously to get the square footage. So I'm gonna first take my first measurement, make sure I'm and hit that, and then I'm going to take a measurement from this way. So I have a laser on both walls, and I'm 3 feet. So with those two measurements, this tells me I'm about 18 square foot powder room, okay? Pretty neat, all right? So that would be very useful if you're doing flooring, all right? Or if you're doing like maybe wallpapering or you're painting and you want to know the area of a wall. So you do the same thing for a wall, of course. If I want to know the area of this wall, the square footage of this wall, I would do this, and I would do this, okay? And this gives me about 50 square feet, okay, for this wall. So it's pretty neat. It can also do the volume of a room, so that's pretty cool. Along with that, it also has an angle on it. So up here, right up here, if you see that angle. So this is neat because this will tell you if something is level. So let's see in the kitchen what is level and what's not. So if I put this on my island, see it moving up there, and it's 0, 0. So that is level, okay? You can also use this to see if things are plumb, okay? So these are the cabinets I just installed. Let's see what it's reading. It's reading 90 degrees. So these cabinets are perfectly plumb. Now, I don't know if I would use this as a plumbing or leveling device, but it's pretty cool that it can do that. But you can also use this to find an angle if you're basically trying to figure out an angle of something. So if you wanted to know something's 45 degrees, okay, it'll tell you that. So this thing has a ton of features, okay? So this is the Inkerma bilateral measuring tool. You can pick it up on Amazon. I will put a link down below. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I got some measuring to do, and I'm out.